In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change post location on Craigslist. If you've created a Craigslist listing and need to update the city or location associated with that post, the process can be completed through your Craigslist account. Keeping the correct location on your listing is important because it helps ensure that the right audience sees your advertisement and can improve the chances of getting responses from people in the area you want to target. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Craigslist website. Once you're on the home page, sign in to your Craigslist account. Logging in gives you access to all of the listings you've created and allows you to make changes whenever necessary. After you successfully signed in, look toward the upper right corner of the page and select the Account option. This will take you to your account dashboard, where you'll be able to view and manage your active and past postings. Inside your account, you'll find a list of all the posts associated with your profile. Take a moment to review the available listings and locate the specific post whose location you want to change. If you have multiple advertisements, make sure you select the correct one before proceeding. Once you've found the post you want to update, open it and look for the Edit option. Selecting Edit will allow you to make changes to the information associated with the listing. This is the section where you can update details and ensure that your post accurately reflects the information you want potential viewers to see. After opening the editing page, locate the section that contains the city or location information for the post. Change the location to the city or area where you want the advertisement to appear. Be sure to select the correct location, as this determines where users will find your listing when browsing Craigslist. Take a moment to review the updated location information before moving forward. Double-checking your changes can help prevent mistakes and ensure that your listing appears in the intended area. Accurate location details are especially important if you're advertising products, services, housing, or local opportunities. Once the location has been updated, save or continue through the editing process according to the options available on your screen. Your changes will then be applied to the post, allowing the updated location information to be reflected in the listing. That's all there is to it. Changing the location of a Craigslist post is a straightforward process when you access the listing through the account and use the editing tools provided by the platform. Keeping your location information up to date helps your post reach the most relevant audience and improves the overall effectiveness of your advertisement. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,